Welcome to ecopenny. I was going to use my trusty Electra Townie Go e-bike to go to work, but I turned it on and the display had error code 640. Oh no! And the motor wasn't working when I was pedalling, so I had to not go to work on the e-bike, had to drive that day. Take it to Renshaw's in Bathurst and see what they said. So if you're new to the channel, I've had the Electra Townie Go e-bike for 6 years now. I use it for local trips to commute, so I can save on car trips. In the 6 years, I've done 7,500 kilometres just on little local trips. So it's just been fantastic, saving fuel, less emissions for the environment, better for your health. You still use a bit of energy to pedal it, but it just makes it easier, so you're still getting a little bit of exercise. It's got the Bosch Powerline motor, Bosch display there. It's got all your vital stats when you turn it on. Battery at the top, speed, clock, you can change it to how much range you've got left and other modes on the display. Got different power modes. Have it off, no battery power at all, just pedal. Got eco for a bit of assistance, tour a bit more, sport for a bit more, most assistance and turbo. I use that for going up steep hills. Most of the time I'm in tour mode, toddling around. So I got a phone call from Renshaw's Pedal Project, the local bike shop in Bathurst. And they said the error code 640 is a battery issue. Basically, no doubt about it, I had to get a new battery. So they called Bosch and they said the battery's not repairable, and if it's 6 years old, the error code basically means the battery's on its way out and there's nothing you can do. So that's the old Bosch battery, 11 amp hour, 400 watt hour, 36 volt battery. So the painful bit was a genuine Bosch battery. It retails for about 1,000 Australian dollars, so that's quite a hefty price. The whole e-bike was 3,500 Australian dollars in 2018, 6 years ago. So unfortunately I just had to bite the bullet and get a new battery, because I don't want to have the e-bike go to landfill if that $1,000 means it can run for another 6 years or more. I think it's a good investment. So the batteries are basically plug and play. The bike's key is used to remove it, so all I had to do was buy the new one, plug and play a new one. The battery can be charged on the bike or off the bike with the same charger. So the new battery is virtually identical. It's the same power pack 400 from Bosch. Doesn't have the Go on the side that the old one does, but basically it virtually looks the same. I'm very happy with it. So I don't love spending $1,000 Australian, but the reason why I went with the genuine Bosch battery, it's good quality, it's got the warranty, and it's guaranteed to work with the e-bike. I haven't seen any cheaper alternatives, but if there was a cheap Chinese alternative and I got it, there's a risk that it wouldn't work with the e-bike properly. And with the lithium-ion batteries, if they're cheap quality, there's a risk that they'll explode or catch a light or combust. And lithium-ion battery fires are quite dangerous. They basically are very hard to put out. They just keep burning and burning until all the lithium is used up. They can burn your whole house down. So I thought, do the safe thing, get the genuine battery, the good quality Bosch one, and hopefully I'll get a few more years service out of it. I'm going to take it for a run, towing the trailer, going to the grocery shop to do the weekly groceries and see how it goes. There you have it, the first shopping load done with the new battery. nice amount of groceries there. So I only used about 1 bar on the battery meter with the new battery, so it's got a bit more pep than the old one. I can feel it's got a bit more power. So the old one was definitely on the way out. So I started with 4 bars. Now I've got 3. So I think it's definitely worth the investment getting the e-bike going along for another few years with a new battery. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Basically, I had an error. There was a battery problem. Battery was 6 years old and needed a new battery. So I bit the bullet and bought a new battery. If you've got an e-bike, put down in the comments how long has your battery lasted. Have you replaced your battery before? Are you still on the same original battery? So let me know in the comments how you're going on your e-bikes. But thanks for watching. Stay subscribed to ecopenny to get more eco tips, eco sports and penny farthing adventures. See you next time.